Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to combine two photos on Snapseed application. Snapseed does not have a collage maker specifically, but you can effectively combine two photos into one using double exposure tool. So make sure you watch till the end to learn how. First of all, open your Snapseed application. Tap the plus button on the screen and select a desired photo that you'd like to add from your camera roll, or take a picture from your mobile device's camera right away and select it from your device's file manager. After you pick a picture for yourself, go to the bottom of the screen and tap on Tools. Now, scroll down and select Double Exposure. Click on the image icon at the bottom left with a little plus in it. Select another image you would like to add as your second photo. Once you add both of the photos, position and resize the layer of the second photo that you just imported. Now go to the bottom right corner and tap on this little drop-like icon. Increase the intensity by sliding right and decrease it by sliding left on the opacity panel. After you do that, you will be able to make the second photo more or less visible. Arrange it creatively to achieve the desired composition for your combined photo. And after you are done with it, tap on the tick mark at the bottom right hand corner. And that way, you will be able to combine two photos on Snapseed. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.